Hello guys, I'm Mitsuni. Welcome back to my channel. So guys, today's video is packed with 3 amazing opportunities for freshers and early career developers. And the interesting thing is that all 3 roles are completely different. The first one is from Wipro for freshers, the second one is from Toprankers and they are hiring software engineers, and third one is a remote technical internship from McKinley and Rice. So no matter whether you are looking for a first full-time job or an internship, make sure to watch this video till the end because I will explain everything. Now let's start with the first company. This one is from Wipro and they are hiring for the role of trainee. This is a full-time work from office opportunity located in Noida. The best part is that 2025 and 2026 graduate students are eligible, making this one of the best fresher opportunity available right now. Now, if you don't know about Wipro, it is one of the India's largest IT service company working with clients across cloud computing, AI, and enterprise software. Now, having Wipro on your resume definitely adds strong value because it's a MNC. Now, let's understand what you will actually do. This is not a software development role where you will spend all the day writing code. Instead, you will work on Wipro's total benefit admin system, also called as TBA. Your responsibility will include configuring the software based on client requirement, preparing and executing test cases, reviewing requirement documents, identifying testing scenarios, validating system functionality, performing system configuration, and supporting testing activities. You will also work closely with teammates to resolve issues and ensure projects are delivered on time. So, if you're interested in software testing, backend systems, or quality assurance, this role provides a strong foundation. Now let's discuss the skills. The company expects candidates to have knowledge of manual testing, backend fundamentals, analytical thinking, test case design, documentation, and communication skills. No advanced programming stack has been mentioned, so this opportunity is very beginner friendly. Now, eligibility is important because they are looking for BE or BTech graduates in CS, IT, electronics, and communication, along with MCA students. And remember, only 2025 and 2026 batches are eligible. One more thing to note is that hiring process includes the online gate assessment before the interview, so prepare accordingly. And this opportunity is posted by senior recruiter from Wipro. Overall, if you are looking for your first job in IT company, this is definitely worth applying. Now let's move on to the second opportunity, and second company is Top Rankers and they are hiring for the role of software engineer. This is a full-time in-office opportunity based in Bangalore. Candidates with 0 to 3 years of experience can apply, which means freshers are also eligible. Top Rankers is a well-known edtech company that builds online learning platforms for students preparing for competitive exams. So this role is more focused on actual software development. Now let's talk about the responsibilities. You will design, develop and test software applications. You will collaborate with product managers and engineering teams to understand project requirements. You will build and maintain large-scale software systems, troubleshoot technical issues, participate in code reviews, and continuously learn modern technologies to improve software quality. So, this role gives you actual hands on experience on software engineering instead of only maintenance work. Now, coming to the skills, the company is looking for candidates with knowledge of Java, Python, C, SQL, database management, Git, and problem solving skills. If you have already built projects in Java or Python and understand SQL and Git, you will have a good profile for this role. Now, coming to the eligibility, the company has kept it quite open. Any graduate or postgraduate can apply. So, even if your degree is not strictly BE or BTech, you still have a good opportunity until your technical skills are good. Overall, if your goal is a software development and product engineering, Top Rankers is definitely a role you should prioritize. Now let's move on to the third opportunity. The third company is McKinley and Rice, and they are hiring technical interns. This internship is completely remote with a 20,000 rupees monthly stipend. The internship duration is 3 months and freshers are eligible. Now let's understand what you will actually work on. You will assist in developing, testing, and maintaining software applications. You will support coding, debugging, technical documentation, feature development, testing, and code reviews. You will also work on assigned project modules under mentor guidance while collaborating with experienced engineers on live client projects. So, unlike many internships where interns mostly observe, here you will actually contribute to software development. Now let's discuss the required skills. The company has mentioned a broad list including DSA, Python, Java, JavaScript, TypeScript, Kotlin, C++, SQL and NoSQL, Git, problem solving and communication skills. And if you already know technologies like React, Next.js, Node.js, Spring Boot, FastAPI, Docker, AWS, or have participated in hackathons or open source projects, your profile becomes even much stronger. Now, don't panic when you see this number of list of technology stack. Basically, they mention tech stack used in the company, but not on projects. They will align your role with the project requirement and align according to your skill set. You don't need to learn everything, but in whatever skills you are good at, you will get a project on that. Now, let's talk about eligibility. The company has kept it very extremely flexible. Undergraduate, postgraduate, engineering students, and even students from arts, commerce, and science backgrounds can apply. So almost everyone interested in software development is eligible. Now coming to the benefits that the stipend I already mentioned in the beginning, you will actually work on real Korean client projects, receive mentorship from experienced candidates, receive mentorship, and biggest highlight is that high performing interns may even receive internship extensions or full-time opportunities. If you are trying to build your resume while working remotely, this is definitely one of the strongest internship. So yeah guys, these were the three opportunities. If you are looking for first IT job in a service based company, then go for the Wipro, and if you're interested in software development or product development, then Toprankers is a better choice. And if you're still in college looking for internship, that to a remote internship, then definitely go for the third one. Choose the internship that matches your skill and long-term goals because the experience you gain in the first role often matters much more than your initial package. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. All the apply link are in the description box. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notifications so you don't miss out my next opportunity update video. And guys, if you want any particular job update in a particular domain, make sure to comment down so I can bring it in front of you. I will see you in the next one. Till then, keep learning and keep applying. Thanks for watching guys.